guys, my name is Alex and welcome back on our Kubernetes YouTube channel. Well, as far as you know, we not only making the new G Wagons and all G Wagons into 6x6, 4x4 and any other rocket-like projects and everything else, but some, like in this case, unhappy customers have their G Wagons crashed or damaged during road like situations. So what we have now, it's 2015's, it's a diesel. A customer wants to totally restore it after the car crash. It has the side attack on the road and it's been crashed off. As for the front, we'll replace the front window, the pillars in overall condition. So what I mean, we already disassembled all the interior and replaced all the unneeded parts. Need to disassemble everything, including the doors. The right doors, two pieces, should be replaced totally to the new ones because they are very damaged. It comes at the stand, and by the welding points it will be measured and fixed to the places it should be. So as for the roof, at this stadium we want just to fix it. If it needs some cutting and welding there, well, we'll do that. But as for now, we see that the roof and the side, it's skirted there, it's moved into the center like points, but we'll try to fix it as it is. As for the mirrors, like as for all the things like the fenders, the mirrors, it should be replaced. For the plastic parts, it's more easy because it could be like painted and replaced. And for the metallic parts, it's more complicated. For example, here, what we have over the window and the roof, we have big points of damage. So of course, the stand, the thing number one you should have in this situation. What we have here, we have the putty. So this car had a damage previously. It has been made locally. So when we make anything with the car, like the metal, you see, we need to remove all the putty, all the previous replacements, all the previous like changings to make everything new. As for the bumper, it's plastic part, but G Wagon's plastic is very hard to weld. We'll try to fix it, but maybe we should replace it into MG1. Well, we'll take the decision further. First, we will make the bolt body. Those two doors should be replaced. Why? You see, when we close the door, how it looks like, the gaps. So, fixing of this door will be more costly than we just buy new ones, or not new ones used and painted into this color to match the car's color. As for the side skirts, of course we'll pay the attention here because it has the damage from this side, and maybe the side skirts underneath are like also damaged and curved. But what is G Wagon? G Wagon is always about the rust. Rust is very relative to G Wagon, and when you're going to fix anything in G Wagon, you should be like professional in this about the G Wagons themselves, because rust and G Wagon is the same. You should replace all the rust here. We see it comes over here and over here, like, you know, it's a very common problem in G Wagons. As for the rear door, you see we cannot close it properly. Maybe just because of the roof issues and of these gaps, we cannot close it properly. and of course we'll fix it for the overall good condition. So we won't hesitate you with the time. Let's start and begin this project, restoring, repairing and seeing the bold native G Wagon in the gloss condition. So put your likes, subscribe, see ya.